Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to take a look at the Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite. Now you can pick this one up on Amazon. I'll throw the link up in the description. The price on this one, $350. Now it comes in three different colors. You got pink, gray, and blue. Alright, so let's go through all of the specs. For the display, you got a 10.4 inch TFT LCD panel with a resolution of 1200 by 2000. Now that's 224 for the PPI Patrol. It's made out of glass with the aluminum frame. For the processor, you got the Exynos 9610 with the Mali G72 MP3 GPU. What does that mean in English? Mid-range specs, bro. Mid-range specs. Now it's running Android 10 with Samsung One UI 2 skin on top. You got a 7040 milliamp battery that features 15 watt fast charging. You got 4 gigs of RAM, 64 or 128 gigs of storage, and a micro SD card slot for expandable memory up to 1 terabyte. Now you got an 8 megapixel camera in the rear, a 5 megapixel camera in the front. You got dual speakers tuned by AKG. You got face unlock, a headphone jack, and it comes with an S Pen. Alright, so all of that for $350. Let's see what it is. First things first, shout out to White Shoes, back in the building.
I love my white shoes. I love my white shoes. I love my
White shoes, calm down. All right, here we go. Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite. Now I went with the gray color. We grab a little unboxing knife. Got Spider-Man on deck. Rah. One more. Rah. Okay, so we got a nice presentation alert. $350. Let's see. So inside, this is going to be a Tab S6. USB Type-C charging cable. Ice shoes, do your thing. 15 watt fast charging brick. This is going to be a SIM ejection tool. Got your usual books and shit. Plug them and file them. This is going to be your S Pen. Now this is not the Bluetooth S Pen. Just a regular S Pen. A little bit thick on this one. And that's pretty much it. Now for the tablet itself. Let's see. All right, don't troll me today. All right, let's see. The packages is trolling. Oh, here it goes. I know. Okay, Tab S6 Lite. Here we go. Now, like I said, this is the gray color. Nice weight on this. Okay, got the aluminum frame. Got one camera in the back. On the top, got a headphone jack. Now, no quad speakers on this. So you got dual speakers, so one on the top, one on the bottom. USB Type-C charging slot. Other side is nice and clean. On this side, you got your power button, volume up and down, and there's your SIM tray. All right, so let's power this up, see if we got any juice. Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite. All right, so let me pause the video. I'll drop all my information in, then we'll breeze through the OS. Talk amongst yourselves. All right, y'all, so we back in. Now, I've been using this for a little while, and I got to be honest with y'all. On a scale of 1 to 10, the Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite is a major go. And at $350, as Bob Barker would say, the price is right. When I first got this, I thought it was going to be a cheap kitty tablet, you know, lagging all over the place, bullshit display, garbage speakers. Boy, was I wrong. This is a quality tablet that's not going to break your pockets. Let me break it down for you. First things first, build quality. Now here's your Galaxy Tab S6. Here's the S6 Lite. The build quality is exactly the same. Both of them have glass with the aluminum frame, minimum bezels. You got your magnet for your S Pen. All right, so it sticks to the side. It feels premium. Feels premium, so Samsung didn't cut corners in that department. Now check this out. Basically, what I use my tablets for is 3 things. Number 1, watching videos. Number 2, social media. And number 3, my late night scumbag activities. And with the Galaxy Tab S6 Lite, you could do all 3 of those perfectly fine. Plus more. All right, plus more. Like I said, I'm impressed with this one. Let's check it out. Build quality, A1. Next, the display. Now, there's a couple of different ways you can open it up. You can swipe up, put in your pad and your pin. No fingerprint sensor, but you do got face unlock. Here's the face unlock. Bang. One more. Bang. Let's do one more. Bang. Works in portrait or landscape orientation. No problems with that. Now, I will say this. The display, the TFT panel, is definitely not Super AMOLED. That's one of the differences. Put it like this. Here's 3 differences that I noticed between the S6 and the S6 Lite. The display, the speakers, and the speed of the processor. Let me pull up the display real quick. I want to show y'all what I'm talking about. Now, I'm not going to turn this into a full comparison video, but I want y'all to see for yourself. Here's the AMOLED. Here's TFT. Now, watch this. I'll do a little speed test. Keep your eye on the backgrounds. Go to apple.com.
Opening web page.
Now, if you notice, let's try that one more time. Keep your eye on the whites. All right, the white on the Galaxy Tab S6 Lite, the color is definitely more washed out. It's not as bright and that vibrant. Both of these are on max brightness. All right, so let me do that one more time. Go to apple.com.
Opening web page.
Notice how washed out this one kind of looks? But you see the difference in the speed. All right, here's the scrolling speed on the S6. S6 Lite, the scrolling speed is a little bit slower. You know, it's not laggy. You know, it's not extra buggy and laggy, but it's just not super fast and zippy. But it's half the price. But if you notice the viewing angles, now this is on max brightness. The viewing angles on this one. Now, if you take this outside, you're not going to be able to look at it. In the house, I got it on max brightness, and you can still see the viewing angles. They're not the best. They're not the best. But for $350, I'm really not complaining. I'm really not complaining at all. All of your basic Samsung settings. You got your split screen multitasking. Let's pull up YouTube. And we'll do Amazon on the bottom. Check this out. So you can watch a video and shop on Amazon at the same time. Now, speaking of videos, listen to the speakers. This is another reason why I was impressed with this. I thought the dual speakers was going to sound trash compared to the quad speakers on the S6. Not at all. And I would bet money that this is still louder than the Galaxy Flex or the Galaxy Book Ion. I would bet money. Let's get the maximum resolution on this one. Let's see where we at. Let's go to 1080p. Let's get max volume. Now you got dual speakers, so one on the top, one on the bottom. But the speaker actually sounds pretty good. Pretty good. This is how it's going to look when you're watching your videos. No problems with that. Let's keep it moving. All right, so now let's rock out like a regular day. So, as soon as I pick up my tablet, the first thing I would do is, let's take it over to Instagram. Okay. Check out the latest memes on deck. Using the S Pen. Let's see if I got any likes. All right, my page is looking kind of dry. I got a few follows. No problems. Here's my regular page. Real nice. Let's exit out of that. Next, let's take it over to Facebook. Okay. Let's see what's going down on Facebook. Oh, somebody had a baby. Let me go ahead and like that. Oh. Okay. More memes. Real nice. Okay. Now, at the same time, let's try the S Pen. Let's do a smart select. Okay, just in case I want to save some new headphones I'm thinking about copping. Let me go ahead and save those. All right, no problems with that. Keep scrolling. Okay, I got to like this. RIP my man Chuck. Let's do a little screen right. All right, take a quick photo. Chuck. You know, draw on it. Do your thing. Exit out of that. Let's take it over to YouTube. Let's see. Let's hit play on this one.
It's not pure.
Now, this is how it's going to look like
The cowboy?
when you're watching your videos.
On to the next match.
Is it really over though? That was it? 3-0?
No.
Almighty him.
Listen.
Okay, real nice. Now, of course, you do have your picture-in-picture.
Reindeer.
Almighty still has juice in him, bro.
All right. Let's check my
I'm gonna tell you
flipboard.
right now,
Eat some tumbleweed.
See what's
man.
going on.
If Almighty makes a reverse 3-0, I'd put $100 in.
Now, like I said, a little bit of lag here and there,
Yo, bro, chill out. You know it can happen.
but it does work. Let's take it back over to Instagram,
Definitely don't want to play with your pockets.
I don't give a.
so I can be on Instagram watching YouTube at the same time.
Don't do that. Red
I'm trying to get some. I'm
All
trying
right,
to
so
get
let's
this guy some
pause
power.
this. Exit out of that. Now let's do let's do another little create a note, since we want to use the S Pen. Open this up full screen. Let's see. Now let's check the palm rejection on this one. Yeah, okay. Now this one does need a little bit better palm rejection, because if you rested on it too hard, it's going to disappear. Let's do call Mike 718-413-8919. That's my actual phone number. I know. Let's see. Of course, you could change the color of the pen, change the size and all of that. Let's do, we'll save that. Now, let's do a quick list. All right, so create a note. We'll open this up. White shoes purring, putting me to sleep. All right, so let's make a little note. Things I need to buy. Things I need to buy. All right, so number one, I need some Four Locos. That's going to be a long night. Number two, some baby oil. Number three, some Dutch Masters. Number four, let me renew my subscription to PH. You get the idea, though. All right, so the S Pen does work. If I want to, I can save that or share it. Do your thing. Real nice. Now, let's try some gaming. All right, so let's try some Asphalt 9. Here we go. Okay, tap and hold the drift. All right. Here we go, here we go. Okay, that's the nitro. Let's go. Okay. Oh, I should have drifted. Okay, so now you can choose your directions. Okay, I got it. With a little swipe. There it is. Nitro. Little drifting. More nitro. Shoes can't take it. All right, let's keep it moving. All right, we'll swipe over. Hit that ramp. Bang. Okay. Woo. I could actually get into this game if I sat down and played with it for a little while. Hold up. There it is. Woo! Let's go. Let's nitro through the finish. All right, there it is. All right. So it runs your games pretty good. All right, so we're going to do one more round. All right, we got City Dash, San Francisco. Let's try this out. Okay, finish in position 3 or better. Now I'm in the Mitzi. Let's get it on. Here we go. Nitro fresh out the gate. Let's go. Okay, don't. I got you. I got it. Hold the drift. I got it. God damn it. All right. I know. Okay. Let's go. All right, there it is. Oh, I missed the ramp. I'll take that one though. Let's go. I'm in the groove, y'all. I'm in the groove. That was a bad drift. Hold on. What position? What position? Where we at? All right, first place. First place. All right, so this, I know I'm having too much fun. So this is how gaming is going to look on your Galaxy Tab S6 Lite. Now, Asphalt 9, let me say that one more time. Asphalt 9 is a heavy game. I just seen one little piece of lag, but other than that, I can rock out on this. No problems. All right, so this is how Netflix is going to look. Let's see what we got on deck. Let's take it over to the office. Hit play on this one. All right, let me turn the volume down so I don't get flagged on this one. But this is how it's going to look watching a Netflix video. Real nice, real nice. Let's wrap this up. All right, so overall, for $350, the Galaxy Tab S6 Lite is a major go. This is the perfect tablet for little kids, perfect tablet for your parents, and the perfect tablet for you if you want to save some money. Now, it checked all three of my boxes: social media, watching videos, and my scumbag activities. Not to mention, you got your S Pen. My biggest gripes with this would be outdoors, the viewing angles is pretty much trash, and there is a little bit of lag here and there. But again, for $350, I really can't complain. Anyway, Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite. Hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about this one. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Voxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays. Y'all already know. Stream gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready. No meat boys allowed. Oh yeah, special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat. Flossy_Carter. That's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I see y'all in the comment section early. #salute. Oh yeah, one more thing. I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes and picture me rolling. It's your boy Floss, I'm out. Deuces.
Enterprise. Spock here.
Spock won the beam up.
Affirmative, Captain. Enterprise out.
Energize. Alright, now I'm trying to do a little good test. Yo, can you move your big ass head, yo? Alright, there we go. Let's try that again. Alright, here we go. Ow! Oh. Bro. Alright, calm down. Ah! Look at those nails! Ah! Ah! Fuck!